Hello people, it's Steve, the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do a chicken dish, which is herb chicken with spinach and tomatoes. It's quite an easy one. It shouldn't take long, it's probably about half hour with prep and everything. I'm just trying this video out because my siblings again said, well, you don't talk in your videos. I said, well, I don't really like talking because I don't like hearing my own voice anyway. I sound quite common. I am common, so yeah. It is what it is. So firstly, I've got some chicken breasts, which I always like to rinse under the tap, get all the slime and goo off it after it's been frozen. I'm just going to get the pan on. Just a little bit of olive oil. What I'm going to do is just brown off, like start cooking the chicken in nice little slices. Get them cooked, get them browned off, and then we can start with the other bits of prep. Always remember to wash your hands when dealing with chicken. Right, now the chicken starting to brown off now, so it should be good to go in a minute. A little turn over. That's good. Yeah, that's nice. So once you get them going, you can add the onions so that they can soften in with the chicken. These are better like this than chopped. You don't want them chopped, they'll just like taste nothing really, so. So we'll give them about 5 minutes to soften, and then we'll get back to it. Well, it's been simmering down nicely. What I'm doing now is add the spinach leaves. Might seem a lot, but believe me, it wilts down to nothing. Get that in now. Get a nice one. Turn it over, get it all in there. So you cook this for about, I don't know, probably about another 2-3 minutes. Get the old leaves to wilt down a bit, and we'll be ready. I'm just going to give this salt a bit of a taste. That's nice. So much flavour in there with the all the herbs and everything. I'll give that a couple of minutes and we'll plate up. Alright guys, I think this is had enough time. I've already tasted it, it's absolutely unbelievable. I'm just going to do myself a bowl full. Yeah, that looks good to me. So this is my thing, chicken, herbs and spinach. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And just see what we come up with in the next one. Thanks guys. Catch you later. Thanks.